Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to resize images. First, open your design in Canva and click on the image you want to adjust. Look for the Resize button, usually located at the top of your editing screen. You'll then see options to select from various preset sizes or to input your own custom dimensions. This process is straightforward and helps you achieve the perfect fit for any project. Canva makes resizing easy with its wide array of preset dimensions. For instance, you can quickly select an Instagram post size, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels, or a Facebook cover. These presets are incredibly convenient, saving you time and ensuring your image is perfectly optimized for its intended platform. Just click your desired option, and Canva does the rest, instantly transforming your image. For more precise control, Canva allows you to enter custom dimensions. You can specify the exact width and height in pixels, inches, or even millimeters. Remember to keep the lock aspect ratio box checked to maintain your image's proportions and avoid any stretching or squishing. You also have the choice to apply the resize to your current design or to create a brand new copy, giving you flexibility. Once you've chosen your dimensions, simply click the Resize or Copy and Resize button to apply the changes. Take a moment to review your image and confirm it looks exactly as you intended. Finally, download your perfectly resized image in your preferred format, whether that's a high-quality JPG or a transparent PNG. You're now ready to use your image anywhere you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.